Okay, this is a little bit of a tricky one because we have to find out the total amount. So the total amount is equal to the principal plus the interest. And we know we can work out the interest because that is, we often write it principal times rate times time over 100. But it could also be principal times rate times time over 100 or rate over 100 times time. As long as we make that, it's the 100 makes the rate into something usable. Dividing it by 100 takes a percent and turns it into a decimal or a fraction we can use. So what do we know? We know that the total amount is 1230. We know that this is X dollars. So that's what we're trying to figure out. And to that, we're going to add the interest. So the interest is going to be, let me just work it out for you. X, the principal, times the rate, times the time over 100. Okay, so a way we can work this out is 1230 is actually equal to, if I multiply X, I can reorganize that. So if I put 1 in there, that accounts for the whole of X. And onto that, I am adding X times the rate times time over 100. Or I could do the rate as a decimal. I don't need to do that. So that's going to end up giving me the whole amount plus X times the rate times time, which is going to give us this. So we can add them together. So that gives us X times, if I do it as a decimal, 1 plus, it's now 6% at 1.5 years. So that makes 9%. Okay, a year and then a half. And so as a decimal, that will be 0.09. And then we're going to multiply X by 1 whole, that's the original amount. And the interest added on will give us 1230. So to get to X, we divide by 1.09 on both sides. 1.09 divide, oops, sorry, that's so sloppy. And so that gives us 11.28 and roughly 44 cents. So X is roughly equal to $1,128. And whether they went to 44 cents, I can't recall. So again, what we did is we took the principal in the way of X, and then the interest, which is going to be in this case X times RT, and we're going to somehow work the 100 into it, and then we turn that into this equation. So that X is the principal, and X times that is the interest, and we can use that information to work out what the original amount would have been.